I'm Slick Talkerman, and I'm coming to you from Burgaw Milling Company, which you may remember the bloody incident, Horror at the Old Mill, in which crazed psychopath Bagman terrorized the community. Well, after years of therapy and psychiatric care, Bagman has been released back into society, and with the help of a program, he is now working at Burgaw Milling Company.
I'm here to try to get my friend Bagman a job here at Burgaw Milling Company, where he knows this place very well, and I really believe he's changed man. After they let him out, he requested that he come out here to get a job, and I'm here to see that he does. I'm here to see that he does a great job, and you know what? He knows this place really well. He's chased numerous people here, and I tell you, I think this is gonna work out really well. A lot of people, they don't think he's up to it, but I tell you, he's changed.
And I sat down with them in an interview to get the details. Mr. Wong, is this program working?
Absolutely, I truly think it is, and I truly think people are going to be very happy to see a terrible, crazed murderer actually doing good in the community.
Is he a changed person now that he has undergone treatment and been released?
You know, I really believe he wants to be, and he's willing to change, and that's the first step of anything. But I just really and truly, I think under that mask is just a shy person that wants to become, well known. And you gotta ask yourself, really and truly, just because he's murdered several people, is he really that bad of a person?
Yes.
Yeah, I think this is really good. I figured, hey, he knows a lot about this place. He's been here a long time. He's experienced a lot of things in this building here. So hey, why not try to get him a job here? He's only thing he's done is just chase people and murder. So he can do. Hey,
Where's that music coming from?
come on. Phone. Go ahead. You got it. You got this. Go ahead. We're gonna start off easy. There's a customer out there. He needs something loaded. So I want you to just bend down, pick this bag up, take it, and load it. Simple. No big deal. Go ahead. Whoa, 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 whoa! That's still stabbing. Yeah, so this is gonna be a little tougher than I expected.
Hey,
it's a project. I tell you.
Help over here?
Yeah. What you tell you what, Bagman, hey, come. You got a customer here. He'll get you.
Yes, I'd like to purchase this, please.
But Yeah, basically, it's gonna be a project. I tell you, it's oh wait, turn it off. Just you know how to work everything. All right, sir, come here. You're gonna hold on to that. Hold on to that. Okay, just ring him up. Ring him up.
After a disappointing beginning, they almost gave up.
It's not gonna work. You know what, they're right. He's not gonna learn. He's not getting it. And I was wrong. I don't think he's capable. We're gonna try it one more time. There's a customer out there, and he needs to be loaded. Please. Pick this bag up. Pick it up. Take it out there and load it in his car. That's all you need to do. Go ahead. You did it! You picked it up! You threw it, but you picked it up! We did it! We did it! We did it! Okay! We did it! Yeah! Yeah!
Although it was hard and at times grueling work, what started as a story of horror and suffering has become a tale of redemption. What many may